Okay, that was this plane I've just now seen. That was the pilot plane one I've just seen coming over. So as you can see, this was within Cessna F152. You can see the rate is G-BHZH. That was. Oh, that's the wrong one.
I'm not moving. This is our garage, not just yours.
Sorry about that, guys. So as you can see, that was flying out 32 feet, it was. You can see it was flying out 32 feet. So yeah, the start where he was at. Well, the start where he was at 27 and then he came in here about 32 feet. As he wasn't far away from me from that distance. So as you can see, this is where it took off his base from Cornwall Airport, Newquay at 4:53. That was just before 4:45. So yeah, that's where he took off at Newquay, just around 4:45 around the time. So yeah, that's the plane we saw last time ago. I think that was GPS. Oh, bloody Alvarez. Probably get rid of it actually.
Go, Jack, if you want me to.
Sorry about that, guys, my sister's been a pain in the ass, like usual, but sorry about that, guys, my sister's been a pain. He's probably doesn't know what's going on with me, but anyway, as you can see, that's going from Newquay to not available. That is G-BHZH. As you see, Cessna F152. So yep, that's just this plane I've just now searched. There's this one here, but anyway. Hopefully I might get more footage of it coming back, I'm not sure anyway. Hopefully I might get some more footage of it coming back. So yeah, as you can see. So yeah, I might get more footage if it comes back around again, but anyway. Might catch some more footage of it, I think. So yep, that was this plane I've just now seen, that was a pilot plane. As you can see that, 27 feet. So yep, thanks for watching, bye bye. Okay, I'm taking that was the same plane I've just now seen. As you can see now though, it's now come for the second pass. As we just now saw for the first one, he was just looping at some far distance. But anyway, so that was G-BHZH with him Cessna F152. As you can see, that's how much lessons he's actually been doing just out on the south coast, as he ended up flew past near St Maur's. So that's how much his flight pass has been doing. So that's how much lessons he's actually been going out doing. But anyway, that's how much flight pass he's actually been going out doing. So where we see now, he's now at 24 feet. And he came here on 25 feet anyway. So yeah, that was the second flight pass to see from the G-BHZH. And now I don't know what he's doing now, but he might be coming for another pass by the looks of it, but I'm not sure where he is, but he's now for a second pass. I might go back and probably looks like he might be coming for... No, I don't know where he is now, but I can't see that, but... As you see, it's now still at 24 feet, but anyway. Oh, there we go, now it's probably gone back over there. No, I thought he was going to come back anyway. But hopefully he should be heading back to his base at Nuki soon, to where it started. So yeah, I should be heading back to his base to Nuki soon anyway. You know, back to his base. As you can see, he's come from all the way from Nuki and he's come from all the way, he's now doing proper lessons anyway. So yeah, that was G-BHZH, that was. So yeah. So yep, that plane he should be heading back to his base to Nuki. So yep, that was this part plane I've just now seen. So yep, that was the second pass that we've just seen. So yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.